I took this basement from completely unfinished to this, and I did all of the work myself. But there's been one question that I've been asked probably more than anything else throughout this project, and it's how much did it cost? I kept track of all my receipts, and today it's time to add them all up. All right, so before we get started, I'm just gonna explain how this video is gonna work. We're gonna do a time lapse of me finishing this basement, and I'm going to put a real-time counter up in the corner, and that will continually go up as I go through the project. I will also put text on the screen of individual things, like, for example, framing and what that cost. And then towards the end, we will compare that to what it would cost if you were to hire this entire project out. I did absolutely everything on this project minus the carpet. Let's go ahead and jump in. One thing that I wanted to mention in this video is the tools that I used, I did not include in the cost breakdown. So that is something that you need to evaluate for yourself. How many tools do I have? Do I have what it takes to get this done? If you guys are interested in the tools I did use, leave a comment and I'll think about doing a video just on the tools that I used to complete this job. For those of you who are new to the channel, as you go through this video and you see something that you want to know more about, check the playlist because I have done detailed videos on every step of this process. What $650 looks like, I guess, in today's building world. And I gotta go to Lowe's yet because I couldn't get everything here. All right, got my little road trip today. Menards was $650 and Lowe's was $450. So my little trip to town today cost over $1,000. But if I was paying a contractor to do that, which I am a contractor, it'd be double at least, if not triple. So the plumbing for the basement cost about $250, and that was for all of the fittings and water lines to get water over to where the bathroom and washer and dryer is. It included everything for the washer and dryer, but it did not include the bathroom. The bathroom itself cost $4,186, and I included all of the bathroom specific electrical and plumbing in that number. I will leave a link on the screen for the full bathroom cost breakdown. So if you want to check that out, you can. By the way, if you're new here and you like watching real DIY projects where I show what worked, what didn't, and how to do things, consider subscribing. We're about to wrap up this full house remodel, and we're going to be developing our new property, building a new shop, building a new barndominium, and I think it can help you out if this is the kind of thing you want to do. So the framing for the utility room was included with the first framing number. However, the truss core that I had left over from my garage is what I used for shelves. So if you didn't have that, you could throw some OSB on there at around $10 a sheet. All right guys, so my grand total was $23,205. This was roughly 700 square feet of finished space, so that puts us right at around $33 a square foot. Here where we are located, we would be very hard pressed to find a contractor to come in and finish this for $70 to $100 a square foot. So you can do the math on your own. At $100 a square foot, that's $70,000. And that's over $45,000 of savings. If you get on the internet and search my area, it roughly says that you can get your basement finished for around $60 a square foot. Even at $60 a square foot, I'm saving myself roughly $20,000. Another thing you have to consider is what you're using for wall and ceiling. I use shiplap, so the cost of labor would be substantially more than drywall. For those of you who haven't followed my series, I could not get an 8-foot sheet of drywall in the basement, which is what led me to do shiplap. The shiplap was easy enough to get through the window or down the stairs, but a 4x8 sheet of drywall would not make the turn at the bottom of my stairs. The way I look at it, it did take me a few months to get this basement done start to finish in my spare time, but I have just created myself a whole bunch of equity in this home. If you are thinking about finishing your basement, call a couple contractors and have them quote it for you, and then you can do the math on your own on what that is a square foot. All in, we were at $33 a square foot for this basement. That was adding a laundry room, that was adding a full bathroom, that was adding a bedroom, and I threw in the sealed backup sump pump and a radon system. I just feel like if you're gonna spend the money on finishing your basement, you better make sure that your basement isn't gonna flood, and you gotta make sure that it is safe for your family to be down there. Hopefully guys, this was useful. Hopefully you found it interesting. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share us with your friends, and don't stop dreaming.